Hi, this is Dr. Reuben Chen and welcome to another Fit Tip. Let's face it, although we try to eat healthy, there are times when we want to enjoy a sugary dessert or a carb-heavy meal. And with Sunrider's VitaTaste, you can, guilt-free and without all the sugar and carbs adding to your waistline. Our natural dietary supplement does this by blocking the absorption of sugar and processed carbs. Simply put, VitaTaste contains molecules that are similar to glucose molecules. Glucose is the sugar in our bloodstream you get from eating food. The molecules from VitaTaste fill the receptors located on the external layers of the intestine. And by blocking these receptors, VitaTaste stops the absorption of sugar and processed carbs, which can then be excreted by the body as waste before they can be stored as fat. VitaTaste is also full of antioxidants, which cleanse the body from the inside, protecting it from free radicals and supporting the removal of fat and toxins. You get all these benefits from taking one capsule. Simply take VitaTaste 5 minutes before you eat. It's as easy as that. Made from herbal ingredients like gymnema, koi fruit, lotus root, and lycium fruit, and free of additives, stimulants, and questionable ingredients, VitaTaste is a safe, convenient, and effective way to support healthy weight management. Have you tried VitaTaste? Please leave a comment below, we'd like to know. And you can discover more healthy living products at www.sunrider.com. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our social media channels. This is Dr. Reuben Chen, and I'll see you next time.